Good morning, dear children. Today we'll discuss about the question and answers of chapter 6, the Khaljis and the Tughlaqs. Answer the following. First question: why was Jalaluddin Khilji known as a benevolent despot? Jalaluddin Khilji was known as a benevolent despot because he tried to win over his enemies by love and affection. He wanted to rule his kingdom without any bloodshed. Second question: why did not Alauddin Khilji annex the Deccan kingdom after conquering them? Alauddin Khilji did not annex the kingdoms of Deccan for two reasons. First one, it was difficult to control Deccan kingdom from Delhi. Second, he was getting huge amount of money as annual tribute from Deccan for maintaining his army. Question number 3. What steps were taken by Alauddin Khilji to prevent Mongol invasion? Steps taken by Alauddin Khilji against the Mongols. First, he appointed the best generals in the frontier. Second, he started annual raids into the territories of the Mongols. 3. He raised and maintained a huge army. Question number 4. Why did Alauddin Khilji take stern measures against the nobility? Mention two such measures. Alauddin Khilji took stern measures against the nobility to crush their power. The steps are: the nobles were not allowed to hold parties and festivals. 2. The use of wine and intoxicants was banned. Coming towards the fifth question, explain the market regulations started by Alauddin Khilji. Why did he initiated such regulations? The market regulations of Alauddin Khilji are three in number. They are: he fixed the prices of all commodities. 2. He appointed special officers to keep a strict watch on prices, weights, and activities of traders. 3. The merchants who were cheating the customers were severely punished. And what was his intention? That is the second part of the question. Alauddin Khilji introduced the market regulations to enable the soldiers to meet their expenses within their limited means. Now, question number 6. Why is Muhammad bin Tughlaq regarded as one of the most remarkable rulers of his time? Muhammad bin Tughlaq is regarded as one of the most remarkable rulers of his time because he was a great scholar and mastered in mathematics, astronomy, logic, and physical science. Question number 7. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Devagiri or Daulatabad? The reasons for the transfer of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad are: Daulatabad was centrally located from where the Deccan territories could have been controlled. Second, to protect the capital from the Mongol invasion. Question number 8. Explain briefly Muhammad bin Tughlaq experiment with the token currency. Why did it fail? Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced a bronze coin having the same value as silver tanka with the intention to overcome the shortage of silver. The scheme was not successful because the government failed to keep minting of coin under state monopoly. Question number 9. Why do the historians call Muhammad bin Tughlaq a mixture of opposites? The historians called Muhammad bin Tughlaq as the mixture of opposites because many of the projects of Muhammad bin Tughlaq were all conceived but failed, probably due to faulty implementation. So these are the question answers. Now the last question is: explain the welfare measures introduced by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. He introduced the land tax and abolished some other taxes. He started new irrigation schemes and built new canals and repaired old canals. 3. He established unemployment bureau to provide jobs to the unemployed. So here we end our question answers. Now exercise questions. Two rulers of Khalji, Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji. Two Rajput king states conquered by Alauddin Khilji, Malwa and Mewar. Two rulers of Tughlaq dynasty, Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Two development set up by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Diwani Khairiyat and Diwani Amir Ki Kohi. And now match the following. Malik Kafur, conquest of Deccan, Padmini, Johar, Dag, branding of forces, Chehra, identity cards for soldiers, Ibn Battuta, Moroccan traveler. Now the last part is fill in the blanks. Jalaluddin Khilji founded the Khilji dynasty. Malik Kafur was also known as Hazar Dinari. Alauddin attacked Chittor to capture Padmini, the queen of Mewar. Alauddin Khilji started the practice of Chehra and Dag for efficient administration of the army. 5. Ibn Battuta provides information on the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Thank you.